Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I create product photography videos, especially for complete beginners who want to learn with a low budget setup and simple techniques. In this video, I'll show you step by step how I styled, lit and shot this image so you can try it yourself at home. I started by styling the scene with a simple white box to lift the lipstick and give it dimension. Keeping the base clean makes products stand out without any distraction. I positioned my camera lower than the products and very close to it to create a wide angle shot. This technique makes the products appear larger and more powerful in the frame, giving it a strong presence even when you're working in a small space. By tilting the camera slightly upwards, you can create a professional and dramatic perspective that highlights your product's shape and details beautifully, all without needing any special lens or equipment. For lighting, I used an off-camera flash positioned at a 45 angle to create soft highlights and shadows. Even if you don't have professional lights, you can use a simple bulb lights or window lights for similar results. I choose a dark red background that matches the lipstick shade to create a bold and harmonious look. Using similar tones can make your product's photos look more professional and brand focused. I always take multiple shots from different angles to choose the best one later. This is the original photo I took with only the main light, where you will notice strong harsh shadows on the side of the product. To fix this, I added a fill light, which is just a simple continuous diffused light. To soften those shadows, I also used a white bouncing card to reflect light back onto the dark areas of the product. This small change made the shadows softer and the overall photo more balanced and professional looking, even though I was only using basic low budget lighting tool. The final photo again. I hope the behind the scenes was helpful for you. My videos are made especially for beginners who want to create professional products photos with simple and budget friendly setups. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy products photography tips and BTS videos.